So continuing on with another build we're doing, which is a Mercedes 190 SL. Pretty cool little car. I love these cars, and this one's a full build. It was in pieces, just completely blown apart when we got it, and once we got into the body, we realized it was pretty rough. You know, a lot of them are. And got it down to bare metal and ended up with doing a lot of metal repairs and a lot of metal work. Anyway, you can still get panels from Mercedes, which helps a lot because they're high quality and fit well, which is not always, you know, the case with reproduction stuff. Tim's got a new nose on it. That metal work's all been done. The floors have been done, and now some rocker work as well, rust repair. And now he's got the rear quarters. And the rear quarters had suffered pretty badly from some previous metal work and body work. We cut the whole outer sections off. We can get the complete stamping. It's very accurate and much better way to go. So that's what Tim's doing now. He's getting the rear quarters on it. And that'll kind of be it for metal work. There'll be some odd and end stuff, and we should be jumping into body work here pretty quick. If you like this video, we have more. We have a continuing series on all these cars. We try to document it all. If you want to see it, subscribe and like.